How do I renew or extend my Xbox Game Pass subscription?
Hello there, Xbox gamers. If you're wondering how to renew or extend your Xbox Game Pass subscription, then you've landed in the right place. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process step by step.
What is Xbox Game Pass?
Xbox Game Pass is a subscription service from Microsoft for use with its Xbox Series and Windows 10. As a subscriber, you have access to a catalog of games that you can download and play on your Xbox console or Windows PC. But what happens when your subscription is about to end? No worries, renewing or extending your Game Pass is an easy task, and we'll show you how to do it right now.
How do I check my current subscription status?
Before renewing, you might want to check your current subscription status. Here's how. 1. Sign in to your Xbox console. 2. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. 3. Select Profile and System greater than Settings, Account, Subscriptions. 4. You'll be able to see your current Xbox Game Pass status there.
How do I renew or extend my subscription?
Now to the most important part, renewing or extending your subscription. Follow these steps. 1. Sign in to your account on the Xbox console. 2. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. 3. Select Store. 4. Navigate and find the Xbox Game Pass section. 5. Choose the subscription plan that you want to renew or extend. 6. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Remember, you'll need to have a valid payment method associated with your Microsoft account to complete the transaction. And that's it. That's how you renew or extend your Xbox Game Pass subscription. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Happy gaming, and until next time, take care.